Greetings, lovers of freedom. Greetings, my wonderful people all over the world. Depending your time zone or anytime you come across this video, please like, comment, and share it. Please, my Biafran people, subscribe, like, comment, and share it. Thanks you.
From Abia State, my brother or my father, whoever that you think you are to be, if you want to defend somebody, defend that person. Don't bring Igbo into what you are doing. Don't bring Igbo. Stop setting us up. The person you are defending is so good, but you will not let your children to join him. Whatever Biafra they are fighting for is so good, but you will not even go and present it before the president. But you will come and tell us that we are doing it good, but you don't want to present it in the house. Why are you people so deceitful now? Why are you people deceiving the youth? You knew it's not possible to grant somebody who is facing terrorism charges any permission to go to, any hospital of his choice.
Ikenga Uruagu, bara ferofe na adị njọ. Too much of everything is very, very bad. Nnamdikanu were asị ka nwanyị eweghe ọkpa afọ ike, all the very, very bad. I could remember mgbe ịbụ the mouthpiece of Ipob, mgbe ịbụ Ipob n'isi. I could remember, according to you, na past 11 years came about with these people that are Ipob. That 11 years, you never see them as evil. 11 years later, you are singing them, praising them, carrying their matter for head everywhere. Even during the answers, Naba, all your videos can wow. During the answers, Naba. Sibenka. In South Africa, na BC, a matter honor. I know a day like this will come that you are a bunch of betrayers. Even those people you think you are working for, they know you as a bloody betrayer. Even the buyer will not trust you. In another blame this chief from Abia State, Nnamdikanu, he never blame, let him speak for himself. Now Nnamdikanu, I heard you saying terrorism case, Ikenga Uruagu, not Ikenga Uruagu, because he can never be somebody like you can never be Ikenga Uruagu. Uruagu is a kingdom. You can never be that Ikenga. He will be Ikenga Ikenga bingo cable, Ikenga cable. Look at elderly man in a video. In a challenge because of okay, let me ask you, made a broadcast no open air, both channel television, everybody know there. We made broadcast that what is happening in the southeast. Now can the politicians no name, never can the unknown government, they have the politicians. Video, you have never analyzed that video. I was even waiting for you to analyze that video. Is keep way as usual. Bandits na Casteda na Gasare, local government of Casteda, Potara na Igwe with arms and the wood Igwe na sophisticated weapon. When they make video na woman with the open air, Ikenga Uruagu. Even a video, you condemn that video, you condemn that video. Me condemn. Nandi Babron de bandits, Ndi Babro terrorism, non-dasa terrorism. And you believe in one Nigeria, Ikenga Uruagu. You believe in one Nigeria. So when end up one Nigeria, that no one Hamagaria, a general fair treatment. When they will be Zagon, Nandi Boni nebu Bizagon, Ndi Boni Igbo race Ninebu Bizagon. They are not part of Nigeria. They are not one Nigeria. What is given to Mr. A can never be given to Mr. B. The treatment you give to the Northerners, you cannot give them to the Eastern. And the treatment you give to the Westerners, you cannot even extend it to the Easterners. And you call yourself Ikenga Uruagu. Oh, you have from today, Ikenga Uruagu, because he Hebrew okay. I was waiting for you. All this that is happening in Lagos State, here to one day border, how to bring their properties and Akonoba down to east. Can I the guy develop over? You never say so. No, everybody here or that Catalonia. Ijeba was we brew this guy. Bidoda ne penti black. See, let me tell you, your kind 1 million can never bring Igbo race down. Let me tell you, let me look at me. I bought here, but now you brother would have removed my eyeglass. Your kind 1 million can never bring Igbo race down. If you are not the true son of Igbo person, I myself have been one Igbo, Mpamba one Igbo, Mambi Igbo. Obaramu Bibo, Nukum Bamberi, and Eri, Abro Yujo. You think that no Kida please your masters, Kibega so that can always money. Time shall come in South Africa. Be a Batama Nigeria, you still come, but I'm been the guy in our world which I'll be your child with yourself. Your root, your original root, Abro Uruagu. Because all you Uruagu. Obi Aguocha cannot do this. Uruagu cannot harbor a person like you. Everybody you just that was on you. But 11 years ago in South Africa, you don't know there's already under the umbrella of Nnamdikanu. There's already under the umbrella of Ipob. So I had blue and easy and me frag. You are a champion. All the whole protest. Do you think we have forgotten? In a champion all the protests at the Southeast. In South Africa, if you call him now the terrorist, terrorism charges, they could say Ikenga Uruagu beg arrest because he's so Nnamdikanu. Since you call him a terrorist, imagine so the terrorist because he's a champion of protests. All the protests didn't even he's a champion there in South Africa. Remember the ESN, he's a champion, he's a support ESN. Now, I'm not the kind of terrorist because now, if they are publicly denounced, so even if you don't want to, Obi Aguocha Biafra, Obi Aguocha Ipob have half of money. Obi Aguocha an association. If you want to denounce the association, you deny it on yourself. Nimo Biggie. Obviously, the man say, "I say, no, you can't baseball money. He baseball money. Since he's the way, obviously, he's like, I don't want fresh. Now, I don't want fresh. Now, but before Ikenga, he began on South Africa. For even South Africa, this year, next year, he will be the same South I all for one, Mando for United, all the big bosses in South Africa. Christmas have an hour hotel, now they will even empowerment. In South Africa for years, also able to have microphone, for they take it to Facebook, go drop, he will catch $1,000 or $500 because they was in view. In a check it out, he got on Debo, he will view. He did one single view. He will a content creator. I'm make content and I'm going to go on a Southeast content creator. Can I blend? They go to case make content and blogging. I'm going to make a Debo. He builds Maputaka. See, they can only say right down on your comment section, but down within themselves, they know you as a bunch of betrayer. He gave betrayal Wundibo. He gave betrayal Wundibo. Ever since 1960 till date, nobody was president. He came Gatoro. He came Gafano. Can I be president? On your way, a Mabata do to the Mahife. Anyone has some stable president of Nigeria, if I may ask you. When Ojukwu came back from Ivory Coast, for more Apoga with Indo to it, why are able to have that support for the president of Nigeria? Mbobe, the president of Nigeria, Chitaraja, all distant force, Ojukwu Batara, to tell you that no one has ever since Nnamdikanu Borocha ceremonial president for 3 years and beginning, because he's not even the main president. Oyabu president is the prime minister, ceremonial president. After the Nnamdikanu and Nabu, who else but the president of Nigeria? One day, work about Izu, first Senate president. Till today, what was next smell upper chamber? The answer is no. Oh, yeah, guess smell the smell. Moike with a money vice Senate president, or call in prison. Or where they joke with arụ ihe ike gwara mmadụ mere today ọ bụ emeghe bụ na ihe o mere today o were eme ya esi wee compare wee n'ihe ndị ugwu na-eme on daily basis ego a na-ebupụ n'obodo a emefelekwọ ebechara ikpe ọmada free o nwere ọnụ kwuru elu ebee ka ị nọ sọsọ ịkọtọ ndị Igbo ka a rabụ ọnụ ọbụla na-ekwu ivụl against nwa afọ Igbo ọbụla ga-eji ala sere mmiri nwa nkakwụ ị na-akpa isi ka nwaanyị ozu